Hi, welcome back. Here we are, late at night. Marksman projects and Sector's Yard. Uh, Revealing some slight rust in the my driver's side, right hand side, rear wheel arch. Always more than what you expect when you see a couple of rust patches, but basically the inner arch is quite sound. Got the rebuild kit for the rear caliper. All the bushes are on order. They should be here in a couple of days. Back axle's got to come off. Tie bar, swing arm, do all that. All this area is done. The sills are done down here. Body kit's back on. That slight, looking back on the other video, that repair's sort of done. You know, it's not up to standard, but we'll get there. Moving on quickly, because this is surely an update. Got the body panels, the door panels, door in the panel there, using my light, Saab bits, and door lower panel, again from Saab bits. Bill, brilliant. They've been so helpful. Saab bits UK, you can't fault them. Absolutely superb. Got some undersill work to do around the jacking point. That's going to be my next step. Front corner, completely rebuilt. Suspension 16s Carlson, uprated spring as with the S. Still not done the little patch there, but because that's going to come when I take the door off. That's going to be a job and a half. Brake caliper, all redone. Sorry about the light, but there you go. Excuse the disc. Never painted discs. I mean, I'm twofold. I'll either get them skinned, take a couple of thou off the front face because they're corroded. The car has been sat for 15 years, or new discs, and they are vented on 60s, but the caliper's fully rebuilt. Everything back into situation. When I do a full video, I will. There's a guy called Ryan in the United States. He does a fantastic rebuild of the Girling caliper. Girling Lucas. Yes, it is Lucas. It's Lucas Industries took over Girling, so they are Girling Lucas. Originally Girling, yes, fair enough, but I'll do all that more in depth on my next video. So this side is ready for Schultz. Got my Schultz gun. Got my Schultz. Was going to go for the Raptor, but that's in the UK. That's an extra 10 quid. But we'll do. We're there, aren't we? We are actually there. Look at that. Everything is solid. Get all the aero kit, mud guards, and the aero kit on the front put in, and quickly going into Steptoe's yard. We know where we are with the front end. Beam, trying to hold bloody light. Beam section done. All that area's done. All that area's done. Beam done. All ready for welding. Datum point. For me, ring gear on the flywheel. Next few days, all being well, and into Steptoe's yard. Look at the state of this. What an absolute shithole. But I've got all my bits back. Look at me washing. Look at me washing. We've got my under tray absolutely full of holes, but all in epoxy resin, and I can work with that. I can bead roll all these sections, get all that done. Crossmember is up there. Again, in epoxy resin, no rust whatsoever. Get rid of the frigging rust. So that'll a day or so re-welding all that and getting rid of all the snot and dressing it up. That'll be cool, but it even feels nice, you know. Lovely. And going back here, we've got the, excuse the camera work, we've got the, oh, my washing, we've got the radiator slam panel. That's 40 years of corrosion. That's beautiful. And that's original. Fully original. Some snot there. Some snot on that side, but here we go. Ooh, back's gone. Feels so good, honestly. Back from the shop letters today. Been waiting 2 weeks, and we're good to go. We are good to go. All inside is totally original. Like I say, lot of snot all over the camera there. We can sort this out. These were bits that I added on before I went to the shop blasters, again for the dating points, because they are the that they fasten to the cross member. That's original. That's not. Obviously, you can see that. That's not. This is the tow and hitch, and double tow and hitch on a Saab Turbo. Don't know why, but one in front of the on both sides of the wishbone. This side, a little bit here, a little bit there, a little bit there, a little bit around here. This beautiful, 40 years. So yeah, we're good to go. We're good to go. You can't expect anything from a car that's 40 years old. I could have let this go to the scrap man for 300 quid, but we haven't, have we? So, quick look around Steptoe's yard. That's an expensive coil of cable. That's 10mm cable. Might sell that and get some more bits for my Saab. And quite finally, as usual, empty can of Heineken. That's what you need. Update shortly. Look after yourself, guys. Take care.